Hey guys, welcome back. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, so I got another great video for you today. This is going to be a penny stock video for my penny stock series. Really excited about this stock, Ceragon Networks, or ticker symbol CRNT. Now I did find this on Robinhood. It does look like 1,100 people also own this company through Robinhood. As you can see, their 1-year growth, they have gained 57%, guys. $1.21. That's a little bit more than half of their original share price. And basically, if you're not sure what Ceragon Networks does, they engage in the provision of wireless backhaul solutions. Its products include radio units, management systems, small cell hauling, as well as packet and hybrid microwave and long haul solutions. Some of their collections are electronics, telecommunication, wireless, Asia, not China, radio, broadcasting, and media. Now, they do employ 900 people. They have been founded in 1996 and are headquartered in Tel Aviv. So this must be a foreign stock. They have an average volume of 548,000. No dividend yield at the moment, and a very nice PE ratio of 16. I enjoy low PE ratios. It shows that their company can be worth your money when you buy it. And also they have a $260 million market cap. Their CEO is Ira Polity. And as you can see from price paid on Robinhood, the average price is $3.12. They're about 6% higher right now on that, which is fine. They could always go down just a little bit, which is expected. Their earnings per share is what I like. Now, I always look and invest in companies with a positive earnings per share. If it's showing a negative earnings per share, I won't even second guess it. I won't look at it. Even if it says 100% buy with negative earnings, I will not do it because it's a trap. I believe it's a value trap. It's a trap for stock investors, and so I always look for the positive earnings per share. Now, as you can see, it's not a heck of a whole lot. It looks like they're right around maybe 6 cents, 5 or 6 cents per share, but they did beat their estimated earnings for that quarter, and they're expected to have another earnings call November 5th. Now, I love when there's a positive earnings per share, guys. It always helps with the company. That means they're making money off of each share that is invested. A couple other businesses that you could look at or companies are GE, Yamana Gold, Nokia, and Chesapeake Energy. For whatever reason, those fall into these characteristics. Now, if we go to the street, I like using the street report. It's a real easy platform to use. You just go to the website, type in your email and whatever stock ticker you want, and then they'll send you a free report. They're always usually pretty up to date, and I like it because it shows a lot of more visual for a lot of those visual learners out there. So as you can see, it has a B- right now for a buy rating, which in my book puts it as a strong buy. Now, they do have a target price of $3.80, which they look like they went up to about $4 at one point and dropped a little bit. Now, that's okay. These are opportunities to buy, guys. Don't get discouraged when the prices fall a little. As you can see here, they got up to a good $3.75 or 80-cent mark here. It was a hold rating and then went to a buy rating and then went to a hold rating. And as you can see, if you would have bought up here and averaged down, or if you would buy in your entry point here around the $1.60 mark to $2 mark, you'd be able to be already up almost $2 per share if you would have bought down here. Now, they did move their rating on June 11th from a hold to a buy, which is really good. I really think that this company is really going to keep going up and moving forward. If it has a slight dip, that's okay. You just average down and buy more. That's what I like about these kind of companies. They have a lot of volatility. Now, they do have a buy rating, and I'm going to show you some of their highlights. Compared to its closing price a year ago, it has jumped 58%, which has exceeded the performance in the broader market during the same time frame. CRNT should continue to move higher despite the fact that it has already enjoyed a very nice gain in the past year. CRT has no debt to speak of, therefore resulting in a debt-to-equity ratio of 0. A 0 debt-to-equity ratio, which is amazing, which makes this a very favorable company to get involved in. To add to this, CRTN has a quick ratio of 1.55, which demonstrates the ability of the company to cover short-term liquidity needs. That's great. For such a small penny stock company, you don't really see companies like this. Usually penny stock companies are in debt, are barely getting out of debt, barely turning over, but this company has 0 debt in general. Now, their net operating cash has also significantly increased by 84% since last year to $4.18 billion. That is a heck of a lot of money, right, guys? As well as the small decline in revenues, slightly underperformed the industry's average of 1%, slightly dropped from 5 to 5.4%, but that's okay because there isn't any debt for this company, so they basically just need to keep staying afloat and getting into different areas of their platform. Now, as you can see, CRTN is here right around where their competition and peers are, as well as this chart here. CRNT, if you want to look at their statistics one more time, it shows you here as well as alongside their peers and other companies that are similar. Now, if you'd like me to do any videos on any of these other companies, feel free to put a description or a comment below, and I could do videos on these companies. I believe Silicom Ltd is going to be coming up pretty soon, and Radcom. Those are companies that I've been looking at. So if you like that, I could do videos on those as well. Now, stock at a glance for factors: a 4.0 out of 5 stars, 3 out of 5 stars. Oh, I'm sorry, 4 out of 5 stars for growth, 3 out of 5 for total return, 4.5 stars out of 5 for efficiency, 3 out of 5 stars for price volatility, and 2 out of 5 stars for solvency. Their income is at a 0.5 star or half a star out of 5, but that's okay because right now they're not paying a dividend. What they're trying to do is grow that small value or small stock price, and they're trying to grow that. I'd probably say by the time they get to an $8, $9, or $10 mark, they probably would start paying a dividend, but you never know. I believe this company is a really strong company to buy right now. It's a very cheap company to get into. You could throw, $20 at it. You could throw $100 at it and buy a bunch of shares. As you can see, during the same period of last year to now, the net worth or stockholders' equity has increased by 12%, which is great. Now, it shows that there's key liquidity measurements indicate that the company is unlikely to face financial difficulties in the near future because remember why? They have 0 debt. If you guys think that you're still unclear about it, a lot of people like to look at the PE ratio, the PCF, the price projected earnings, price to earnings. Here they are right here, price and sales growth. You could take a look at that as I finish up with the video. You can also see their most recent changes, upgrades, downgrades, and no changes, as well as the rating definitions and distributors of the ratings. 44% are saying to buy on here. We believe the stock has opportunity to appreciate and produce the total returns more than 10% over the next 12 months. Now, again, this is a good company to get involved in. It is a penny stock, though, so be very cautious on what you're doing. If you believe that you need to do more research, go out and do more research. But in my book, this is also a strong buy. It is also a penny stock. It's going to be in my penny stock playlist and series. And guys, if you liked this video, smash that like button. It really does help to make me feel better that I am doing good making these videos and that you guys are enjoying watching these videos. Also, share it with someone that you know who could benefit from watching these videos. Share it all over the place. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the little subscribe button and click the little bell. I do videos literally every single day. There are spans where I will miss, 3 or 4 days at a time, but then boom, I'm right back on track. Every single day, I'm busting out videos just like this. And remember, if there's anything you want me to discuss or do a video on, leave a comment in the comment below and I will do the video for you. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day and a great week trading.